Hello and welcome back to Mark's House and Garden UK. A company called iZEEKER have sent me not one but 3 wildlife trail cameras. Now one of these cameras I'm going to keep in my garden because they've inspired a brand new project which I'll tell you about in a minute. The other 2 I'm going to be giving away to subscribers, and you can find out how if you look in the description box below this video. Now, the brand new project that these have inspired is a watering hole. Now, I don't mean a pond or a wildlife pond, but a place where the wildlife in my garden can come and drink. Now, I do know that I have hares, foxes, hedgehogs, cats and dogs, and lots of birds in my garden. So I'm hoping to encourage them to this watering hole. And I will position this on a lamppost nearby. So if you want to see the video on the watering hole, I will link that in the description box below this video, and I will also link a video containing all the footage in the description box below this video. But in this video, I'm going to unbox one of these, look at the instructions, see how easy it is to set up, and then put it in place. Now before we unbox the trail camera, let's just have a look at the outside of the package. It says here that it includes a trail camera, a user manual, USB cable, and a tree strap, in my case a lamppost strap. It says that it's solar powered, it's got a high sensitivity motion sensor, it's easy to install, and it's got a waterproof design, which is perfect for the UK climate. So I suppose the next thing to do is get the box open on this table and have a look what's inside. Then I will read the instructions, I'll get it working, and I'll put it in place, and hopefully at some point in the next 24 hours we'll get some wonderful wildlife footage. So don't forget, these 2 are going to be going out to subscribers, and you can find out how by looking in the description box below this video. This one I'm going to be keeping, so let's get this unboxed and see what's inside. And this is as much as a surprise for me as it is you. All will be revealed. Okay. I like this packaging. It's very plain, and it's in plain English, which is good. I have a feeling that might be the instruction manual, or I might be wrong. If I look in the box, no, there is quite a good user manual there, and some information here about safety. And here is the unit itself. And there is the tree strap and the USB cable. Now let's open this up. I can see quite clearly that that's the solar panel on top. This looks like the viewing lens and the motion sensor. Camouflage colour, waterproof design. Let's unclip it and have a look inside. Some instructions here and some buttons on how it works. And I notice also that there is another clip here to open, which I shall do on the bottom, and that opens a compartment where it's evident that you can put 4 batteries. I guess they're backup batteries for when the solar power is not fully charged up. Right, I'm going to read the instructions and then I'm going to install it. I'll come back to you in a moment when I've disseminated all this information, and I'll share with you the salient points. Well, I've read the instructions, and all I can say is I think it's extremely easy to use. Having said that, there are some important points which I have written down, and I will type them up in the description box below this video. I'm going to share them with you very briefly. Now, the first one is it has an on and an off mode. You must have it in the off mode whenever you're doing any fiddling around with it. If you're taking the memory card in or out, if you're changing the batteries, or if you're charging it, make sure you put it into the off mode before you do any of that. Now, on the inside of this lid, it says that you need to install a memory card, which is not supplied. However, there is one supplied with mine, and I have checked the other two boxes, and they both have memory cards supplied. So I don't think you need to go and buy one, because I think there is one. But it does tell you what sort to buy if you want to buy an additional one. It also says install batteries, which are not supplied, and that is true, they are not supplied. And it says that you should install rechargeable batteries. Well, they don't have to be rechargeable. You can use rechargeable, and you put them in the bottom here. These are backup batteries. This has a built-in battery, which is recharged by this solar panel. If there's not enough light and the internal battery goes dead, it will default to the backup batteries. So you can use it without backup batteries, and they don't have to be rechargeable. The rechargeable thing is, I think, if you want to recharge your own batteries. But you don't have to put batteries in at all. It will run on its own with the solar panel providing there's charge in the internal battery. So there we go. That's all about the batteries. And I suppose backup batteries are a sensible idea if you're at all concerned about the light, because you don't want to miss anything. So just to reiterate, that solar panel is to recharge the inbuilt battery, not the rechargeable batteries that you put in here. Now, that solar panel has a tilt mechanism, and you are supposed to have it on a tilt so that rain runs off. You position the camera either north or south, but preferably north facing if you can. And of course, it tells you all about positioning the camera in this manual. And then it's just a question of downloading the app, which you do by pointing your camera at a QR code in the manual. And the instructions are plain sailing. Basically, the app tells you what to do. When you've got the app on your phone, you switch your Wi-Fi on and your Bluetooth. You connect this camera, you put it in place, and then you can watch what that can see remotely. If you're not watching what that can see remotely, it's on PIR mode, which basically means it will sense any movement and record it for you on that SD card. Then you can come back later and review the footage. So all in all, I think that is a very clever but very straightforward piece of kit, and it's going to be very easy for me to use, and I look forward to sharing the footage. Down by the watering hole. So I will now get that fully charged. It will be fully charged when the green light goes on. I will install some backup batteries. I'll put it in position using the tree strap, and if you look in the description box below this video, you'll find some footage that I've recorded on this camera. And don't forget, I'm giving two away, but if you want to go ahead and buy one straight away, I will put the sales link for this product in the description box below this video. And it's going to be a paid link, so if you buy one, I will receive a small commission, and your support is much appreciated because it all goes back into Mark's House and Garden UK. I'll see you very soon for some more watering hole, wildlife camera adventures. Bye for now.